just wanted to shoot this quick video for my team. This video is going to be how to set up your Instant Rewards network site. So in order to get your site set up, what you want to do is open up your browser and go up to the very top. You want to type in instantrewardsnetwork.com. instantrewardsnetwork.com. That's going to bring you back to the main company website. So here you're going to come over to sign up and type in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. Okay, once you got your information, then just click on sign up, and that will bring you to the next page, which is the orientation video. Okay, so you can scroll down directly underneath the orientation video. You're going to see a button. The button's going to read continue to complete registration. So here's where we want to click, and to take you to the registration form. So on your registration form, you just want to fill this out. The username, this is going to appear at the end of your link, so you want to make sure it is professional, so that's easy to remember and easy to set up. So go ahead and put in something for your username. Be sure to put in your email address and set up a password, name, and address. Okay, so you'll have your information, and of course the country is going to be USA. For your birthday, just click in the field and click on the drop down arrow, pick your year and your month, and then go ahead and click inside the box, and that'll fill in your birthday. Okay, last field is going to be your PayPal email address. With PayPal, if you do not have it set up, just use the same email that you're registering with. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That will set up the website. Now if you already have an account with Instant Rewards, that means you have already completed offers on the actual offer sites. Then here you want to make sure that your email address is the exact same thing that you've already used to sign up with Instant Rewards. What that means is you're already in their system. Okay, so like I say, check your email. If you've done offers, make sure it's the correct email address, the same password you used when you registered. Okay, now it may prompt you, if you've already signed up, to go ahead and come up to the top and log in. So at that point, just click the button. Okay, but if it doesn't, go ahead and click on continue with registration. Okay, if you have not completed your offers, it is going to take you back to your offer page, and you want to go ahead and click on whatever offers that you like. Take a look around, look at the credit values. Just keep in mind you do need to have 1.0 in total credits on whatever site that you're signing up on. Okay, whatever's back here. So that is what you're going to see if you haven't registered already with Instant Rewards. If you have already done your offers, you will see your directory page. Okay, so on your directory page, it will have a video here, of course, explaining to you what's on this page as well. There is going to be your links, and these are your marketing links, which are your actual website links. So this is what you're going to be using when you're putting your ads out all over the internet. So you'll have two active marketing links and a direct marketing link. It doesn't matter which one you use. Click on them, check them out, see which one you want to use and put in your ads. Okay, now this is a really simple website. There are only 3 buttons. The first button is going to be your status check. Okay, when you click on status check, it is going to tell you which sites you actually have and which ones you have completed and that you're qualified on. Okay, so when you click on status check, first thing you'll see is at the very top you'll have 2 sites, normally 2 sites completed. Alright, your first site will be what people see first, and your second site will be the second one. So your first one is going to be your entry-level site. The second one will be your upgrade site. Okay, so when you scroll down, you'll see, in this case I've got starter here, site name, you got completed offer requirements, yes, price selected is the amount of money per site, and then how many referrals you need. So this will let you know what your standing is on each site that you're on. Okay, and you can see I do have every site. Okay, so this is where you will set up what your leads are going to see when they come in through your funnel. Okay, so you can change this if you have more than 2 sites to whatever site that you want to be your entry level. Most people will go with either a 10 site, starter, or easy. And for your upgrade site, you have a choice: 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There's a bunch of sites you can do. Just depends on how much you want to make per person. So that's your status check. Okay, once you've gone back there, come back over to your directory page, and you're going to see 2 more buttons. Okay, this bottom left hand one is your marketing system. Okay, this is your back office. Okay, you see it says control panel. So on your control panel, you've got several buttons over here on the left hand side. Your personal info is going to go into your name, address, and the phone number you want to appear on your website. So if you do go get a Google Voice number or an 800 number, come back into my personal info, change out the phone number, save it, and it'll appear on your website. Okay. Next is your stats. Your stats will show you how many unique leads are coming through your website every day. Your leads, when you click on leads, you'll go into your back office and see exactly who has actually opted in on your main website. So good thing back here is you'll see their name, the date it was added, email address, telephone number, and then you got some icons over here. Okay, with your icons, what I like to do is use the notepad. Every time you make contact with somebody who is actually coming through your website, you know, take a note. Let them know, let yourself know what you did with that customer. If you talk to them on the phone, type that in. If you send them a text message, type that in. That'll help you keep up with your follow-up, so that you're maximizing your time. So this is your back office. This is your lead section. Next, you're going to have your capture pages, okay, and it'll default to a capture page automatically. If you like it, keep it. If not, you can change it here, okay. So with the capture pages, there are 17 different capture pages to choose from. Okay, so if you don't like the website that you already have, come back here and take a look at them. You can check them out. You click on it inside the screen, it'll show you, what it's going to look like to your people, to your leads. And you can actually look around, see which ones you like. Once you figure out which one you like, just click on Make Primary Page. Okay, and as soon as you click on that, you see it does change it right here in the middle of the screen. So this will now be your website once people click on your link. Okay, next section is going to be your auto responses. Auto responses are your automated emails that go out once people come in through your website. So you will see 6 or 7 of these emails back here. They're going to go out on the days that you pre-select. So you can come in here, you can actually edit by clicking on the notepad. If you want to view your message, you can click here, go in, change it around, put links in, put pictures in, whatever you want to do with your emails. Okay, so these are your auto responses. Like I said, this system is actually working for you automatically, so you don't have to worry about sending out emails. Okay, next is going to be your signature, of course, which will appear at the bottom of the emails. You've got a broadcast function. What a broadcast function is it sends out an email that you write to everybody that's in your leads, your back office. So you can create a subject, alert them to trainings, any kind of specials you want to run. You go ahead and construct a message, come up with a subject line, click on active and converted leads, and send out the email. Now, Instant Rewards will let you send a broadcast once every 24 hours. So that's a good feature to have. Okay, and next you've got your calendar, which is right here in the middle. You've got phone text, you've got texting, phone accounts, and then also HTML, which we're not going to get into. But this is basically the setup back here for your control panel. Okay, so let's keep it moving, and I'm going to show you the last and most important thing, which is your training site. Okay, now back here you've got the status check. You've been through that. You've been through your marketing system. Now lastly is the training site. IMMmarketer.com. This is an excellent site. When you come back here, you want to make sure you just go through each and every tab. Okay, learn this site. Go through each tab so you know exactly how everything works. You've got different marketing modules that will show you how to market correctly on Craigslist, how to do Facebook marketing, how to do forum marketing. If you want to have other people work for you, there's a section here for outsourcing. And then proof pictures, I suggest going through this as well. Instant Rewards is always giving out a bonus for proof pics. Okay, so go through those sections. You got more here, advertising. If you're looking for sites to post your ads on, you want to click here on top free classified ad sites. There's normally 20 to 25 sites back here. You got your posting tips, Craigslist video training. This will show you the proper way to post on Craigslist. You got image ads. You've got your text ads, banners, animated banners. You got a lot of stuff to look through. A lot of good stuff here to get you started quickly. Okay, next tab is traffic. This is very, very important on the traffic side. Traffic is going to be what gets you the money. The more people that are coming to your website, the more money you make. So you definitely want to go through this and go ahead and pick up some tips so you can get started quickly. Next, you got your follow-up. Follow-up, go through the breakdown. You do have phone scripts back here. Phone scripts will give you the templates that you need so that you can actually call people on the phone and you don't have to worry about what to say. Okay. You'll also have text scripts. So text scripts, I'm going to click on this and you can come right back here, and if you rather have people go through the website first, then text is a great way to reach out to them to minimize the amount of wasted time. So here you just copy and paste, copy them onto a notepad. You can send those text messages out and respond to the people who are ready to get started. Alright, so next section is tools. Get response. You really don't need this. This is going to be an autoresponder if you're a beginner. Don't worry about this. And then you have the blog. The blog will give you topics and subjects of things that you may need to go ahead on and get set up. So this is it. This is everything. Once you've got this set up and rolling, go through the training site and you are actually ready to start posting. Alright, so see you guys on the next video. We'll talk soon.